Guys, I'm making a video of the everyday carries 2021. So I'll just go through the stuff which I carry every day with me. Here I've got my Ray-Bans. Second is the keys to my car. Third is the, what is it called, N95 N95 mask because of lockdown and COVID. Fourth is a leather wallet, and fifth is my watch, the Submariner. So let's go through all the objects here. These pair of glasses, they are really old. I bought these in 2004. Yeah, 2004 or 2005. I don't remember the exact year, but I got these a long time ago, and I've been using them every day. And as you can see, it's really worn out. The Ray-Ban logo has come off, but it's still going strong, and it's made of plastic, so I can just be rough with it and no issues. So these Ray-Bans have lasted a long time. 16 years, 16 17 years they have lasted me, and I'm using them every single day. In between, I had bought other pair of glasses. I had bought one Oakley a pair of glasses, I think two Oakleys, and yeah, but they didn't last me well. So I have to say that the Ray-Ban, for me, Ray-Ban is the best sunglasses manufacturer in the world. They make really nice sunglasses, and especially the crystal, the glass is very good quality. There's no scratches. They don't scratch easy. Frame is also very nice. I don't know if you still get this design. These are very old. I've been using them since 16 17 years. These are just some masks, N95 for COVID. Just some normal cotton mask. Then over here you have the keys to my car. I carry this obviously every day because I need to drive. Just everyday stuff. Here I've got a very nice leather wallet. It's developed a nice patina over time. These are because of the scratches, because it's sitting in my pocket every day, so you can see the scratches here. But yeah, I mean, it's got a little bit of shine to it because of everyday use. And I got this when I went to States couple of years back. This was in 2014. I went to Virginia, and there's a place there called Fox Creek Leathers in Virginia, West Virginia. So I had gone there, and I bought a pair. Sorry, I bought these, just a single wallet. You can store cash over here, and you can store your cards here. So a really nice wallet I've been using every day, and no regrets. It's a very nice, beautiful wallet. And so the good part about these Fox Creek leathers is they manufacture everything in house, and they stitch everything in house. They make the wallet themselves. It's not like an outsourcing company. They make everything in house, and it's family owned and operated. So if you guys are in Virginia, please do check them out. They are great at their stuff. They also make very nice leather stuff. So leather, motorcycling leather stuff, leather gloves, leather jacket, leather chaps. So really good stuff. Over here, this is my sub. I wear this every day, and yeah, this is my everyday watch. You can say it's my daily beater. I wear this every single day. So yeah, that's about it, guys. This is the EDC for 2021, and let me know your thoughts, feedbacks, and comments. And what do you guys think of my minimalistic EDC? Cheers, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.